Friends, hope all are doing great and all are behind their dreams, behind their goals. Because time is limited, as we all know, time is limited. So please rush and don't waste your single day for unwanted things, for unwanted reasons, for unwanted actions. Always try to be focused on your goal, always try to be focused on your purpose. आज का टॉपिक है जो कि बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, दैट चूजिंग द राइट लाइफ पार्टनर. I don't know whether it is the right time for you to listen to this video or not, but choosing the right life partner is a very crucial area which many ignore, and they push themselves into a big trap where life becomes a living hell. So always try to see that your friend, life partner, in the sense there are many relationships, your friend, your wife or your husband, your surroundings, whatever reason where you are spending more time of the day apart from your close family members. Choosing the life partner is a big task because that will take your next, suppose you are getting married at 30, next 30 to 50 years you will have to stay with that life partner. And imagine the situation if you are not in tandem with the life partner, or he is not tandem with you, or you are not in tandem with her. Imagine the situation, because many days, many weeks, many issues, many situations will come where you have to handle it in a very matured way. And if the partner is good, if the partner is sensible, if the partner is matured, if the partner is of same mindset, then it's a bliss. If it is all opposite, then you can understand what will be the situation and how far you can handle it. It all depends upon your mindset. So there is no sure shot way to crack this situation, but there are few ways in which you can understand that he or she is the right life partner for me, because that is a long journey what you have to take from that age of marriage and till the age of death. You have to live with that partner, and if the partner is not in tandem with your mindset, then imagine living every day is I don't know how one can take it. I don't know, because every day will be a compromise, every day will be a sacrifice, every day will be a mouth shut situation, every day will be sitting apart, sitting alone in different rooms, every day will be not talking to each other, every day will be compromising on situations, every day will be a fighting day, every day will be a non-understanding day, every day will be a no talking day, every day will be a no face showing day, and it is a big marathon running. But at the same time, if you apply your mind, if you apply your learnings, if you apply your little bit of common sense, if you apply your awareness, and you get to choose the right life partner by some way or the other, there is no particular definition or rule book or checklist. There is no definition, there is no formula, there is no checklist of such things. You have to use your mindset, you have to use your common sense, you have to use your, gut feeling, your instincts. And if you come across, if you are in the situation where you choose the right life partner, then I am sure that next 50, 60, 70 years after marriage will be a pleasant journey, will be a growth journey, will be a very energetic journey. Because if your partner and yourself mindset matches to each other, then imagine so many things can happen in a big way, in a better way, in a good way, where you will not be required to look back, where it is not required to think anything else, where you will not waste your time in fighting with each other, where you will not waste your time in thinking about unwanted things, where you will not waste your time in haggling with many issues which comes up in the daily living. So always find out certain way, certain checklist, certain formula, certain method to choose the right life partner, because that is a very important decision what one makes, and that decision is into action for next 50, 60 years, and that decision has to be taken very wisely, very thoughtfully, and very mindfulness way. Otherwise there is no looking back, and every day will be a problem day. And if you choose the right life partner, then I'm sure every day will be a fun day, every day will be a living day, every day will be a pleasant day, and you will see that your life is moving in a progressive way, on the growth track, on the career front, on the relationship front, on the family front, on the money front, on the progress front. Many things can happen better and best if you choose the right life partner. So I hope I must have given some message out of this. Thanks a lot for listening. Think over it, understand what I'm telling, and try to see what best you can do. And let's meet next time with a good topic, with a very good lesson. Thanks a lot for listening. See you soon in my next video.